Hey, I'm Joe from Factory Direct Hobbies. In front of me I've got the N-Scale USRA 282 Mikados by Broadway Limited Imports. They've brought these out a few different times before, but this time they're coming out with not only the USRA prototypical road names, they're bringing them out with some really cool fantasy paint schemes. And I wanted to point out that these are die cast. These are really heavy models. The tender is die cast, the body is die cast. They're super strong pullers. And not only that, they've got the Paragon4 Sound. These things sound like they're HO. They're robust, they're strong, they look excellent, the detail is great. And I'm going to show you these a little closer so you can make your own decision about them. But this is definitely an N-Scale steam locomotive. If you're into N-Scale, this is one you want to have. So if you're an N-Scale guy that has never had a great selection of steam locomotives, this would be one heck of a choice for you right here. Use the links below and get your hands on one of these and like and subscribe to our videos. We really appreciate your business. Thanks again.